Welcome to Solverify, the place where learning becomes simple. If you're struggling with homework, assignment, or doubt in subjects, don't worry, you are in the right place.
Question we have small m equals to 1.5 kg and small r equals to 60 mm, that is 0.06 meter, and small l equals to 0.31 meter and capital L equals to 0.68 meter, and Iz is given as 37 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3 kilogram meter square. Okay, and omega a equals to 115 revolution per minute. Okay, so moment of inertia of pod about z axis for the case a will be Iz a will be 1 by 12 m l square plus 3 r square. Okay, so substituting the values we get 1 by 12 m is 1.5. Okay, this is 1.5 bracket L is 0.31, so 0.31 square plus 3 multiplied by R is 0.06 square. Okay, so after solving we get Iz for case A equals to 0.0133625 kilogram meter square. Okay, similarly the moment of inertia, now the moment of inertia about z axis in case A will be Iz a equals to, this is our z, say this is z dash. Okay, so net moment of inertia will be this plus m l square. So substituting the values we get 0.0133625 plus m is 1.5 and l is 0.68 whole square. So from here we get Iz in case A net is equals to 0.707 kilogram meter square. Okay, so the total moment of inertia for the case A will be Ia will be equals to 3 times of Iz A plus Iz. Okay, so substituting the values we get 3 multiplied by 0.707 plus Iz is given in the question as 37 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So from here we get Ia equals to 2.15788 kilogram meter square. So similarly for the case B, when it is rotated by 90 degree about connecting arm, we get Iz dash for the condition B equals to 1 by 2 m r square, that is 1 by 2 multiplied by 1.5 multiplied by r is 0.06 whole square. So from here we get Iz dash b equals to 0.0027 kilogram meter square. Okay, so from here we get Iz b equals to Iz dash b plus m l square. Okay, so substituting the values we get 0.0027 plus 1.5 multiplied by 0.68 whole square. So from here we get Iz for case B equals to 0.6963 kilogram meter square. Okay, so now the total moment of inertia for the case B, that is IB, equals to 3 Iz B plus Iz. Okay, so substituting the values we get 0.3 multiplied by 0.6963 plus 37 multiplied by 10 to the power minus 3. So from here we get IB equals to 2.1259 kilogram meter square. Okay, so now it is given for the case A that omega A equals to 115 revolution per minute, which can be converted into radian per second as omega a equals to 2 pi omega a divided by 60, that is 2 pi multiplied by 115 divided by 60. So from here we get omega a equals to 12.0427 radian per second. Okay, so from the conservation of angular momentum we can write that ia omega a will be equals to omega b multiplied by ib. So substituting the values we get 2.15788 multiplied by 12.0427 equals to omega b multiplied by ib is 2.1259. Okay, so from here we get angular speed omega b equals to 12.2238 radian per second. So the percentage change in the angular velocity, that is n, as per the question, will be omega b minus omega a divided by omega b minus omega a divided by omega a multiplied by 100%. Okay, so substituting the values we get 12.2238 minus omega a is 12.0427 divided by 12.0427 multiplied by 100%. Okay, so from here we get n equals to 1.5038% increase. Okay.